Hi, welcome to Steve's British English Club, and I'm Steve. Let me tell you a little bit about myself. I've been teaching for about 30 years, and I've worked in Turkey and Italy, and as a teacher trainer with the British Council in Malaysia and Borneo, and also Thailand. And I've also managed summer schools in the UK. I returned from teaching abroad 5 years ago, and since then I've been teaching online and also running several Facebook groups, which I enjoy, and I enjoy teaching online. But I do miss the classroom. It's all very well producing videos, and I enjoy doing it, but my heart's not in actually making videos. They take a long time to make professional. I'd much prefer to have the interaction with students as I used to have, and I really miss that. I love teaching English. I love my language. I love the English language, and I love having students around me to interact with them, to see their enthusiasm, hopefully, to have a crack with them, that means to have a joke with them, and generally to share enthusiasm and share learning. Now, I can't do that when I'm producing videos. It's quite a lonely way of doing it, really. I don't see the reactions. Sometimes I get comments, sometimes I don't. I'd much prefer to be among students, especially amongst those who really want to learn. So hence, I've created Steve's English Club. Now let me explain something about it. It's a Patreon platform. Now, Patreon offers me the opportunity to produce content for those who are committed to learning, who really are interested in following me. And I produce content which I know those followers are likely to enjoy and benefit from. And the followers become patrons or patrons. And the other thing is that the patrons pay a small amount of month to receive that content, and it's exclusive content. It's not content which I put on YouTube or anywhere else. It's content exclusively produced for the patrons, for the people, for the members who are really interested in learning English. And the way I do it is to create 3 tiers, that's like 3 levels of learning at different prices. And you pay a certain amount a month, so you can have a look at the details on the site. And at each level, you get certain benefits, and the benefits increase the more that you pay. You have to decide yourself which one you'd prefer to join and which you feel that you can afford. But by doing that, you get from me full commitment and enthusiasm, and I explore all the resources which I'm able to offer you, such as live workshops, audio in terms of doing podcasts where I'm speaking about a particular subject, audio high levels where I'm doing listening exercises, PDFs, Word documents on various subjects. Could be grammar, could be collocations, idioms, phrasal verbs, other expressions. Things that you need, topics that you need to improve your English. Now, I think you'll find it fun. I think you'll find it enjoyable, and you'll also be able to share with me your progress, ask questions, and basically feel involved in your learning, and allow me to feel involved in your learning too when I'm teaching. So that's what it's all about. And this is just a brief introduction. So have a look at what the different tiers, the different levels offer, and have a think about it. You know, you don't have to decide today, but if you would like to, then by all means click the subscribe button and join me. I really look forward to seeing you. Okay? So yeah, hope to see you soon. Bye for now.